A very warm tropical day in much of the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states, and that led to a few scattered heavy thunderstorms. As usual, some people got it, most people didn't. We are going to see very warm to hot conditions for the rest of the week until the next cold front comes through on Friday. Heavy rain across the Gulf states. We're watching the tropics and the long range and so much more. And that is all coming up tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show, which is brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. Has everything you need if we do get a threat for adverse weather or, heaven forbid, a tropical storm or hurricane moves up the East Coast. They've got all the supplies that you need to keep your house safe and in one piece. And also, if you're getting ready for autumn, mulch, topsoil, and much more, all at Omni True Value Hardware. 1220. I almost gave the I Love Lucy address. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, serving the entire New York, New Jersey tri-state area. 631-756-1125 is the telephone number, and the website is
623 East 68th Street,
yes, apartment 3B.
or omnitruevalue.com or omni.com or
OmniTrueValue.com.
value.com. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to try something here. Hold on a second. Seems like having the same okay until a moment or so ago. So I'm going to switch internet sources here, and let's see if we can take care of things. So everybody just, I was trying to switch to my own mobile hotspot, but it's asking for a network key, and I don't have time to find it. So we'll just have to make do. Sorry about that, folks. I'm not sure what's going on all of a sudden now with the with my internet signal. We'll do the best we can. If the buffering gets out of control, we'll just stop. If it doesn't go away, we'll just stop the show. All right. So I saw you begging for a thunderstorm, and you didn't get one.
Did not get one. Not got maybe 2 or 3 drops, I think. But Pete Bergman, who is out in Long Island, was traveling through Huntington today, and he said he easily must have seen like 2 inches or more of rain, and that was also backed up by another Facebook friend of mine, Tony Piera, who was also in Huntington, and also said that well, he actually sent me a picture of the roadway that he was on, and that roadway looked pretty well flooded out. So some of you got an amazing amount of rain in a short interval of time, but most of us just saw a lot of ominous looking clouds, a spit or two here and there, and that was pretty much it. That pretty much told the whole story for the day today. And looks like now, Joe, as we now move into the, boy, I tell you, you really can tell that the days are getting shorter now. Sun is already down in our area. Remember, just a short while ago, it was up at 8:30, but now the sun is going down, and with the diurnal cooling of the atmosphere, we anticipate that whatever percolation of or convection that was bubbling up during the afternoon, the heat of the day, pretty much will bubble down now, and we'll probably have a clearing sky by later tonight. And it looks like we've got a couple of dry, sunny days headed our way for tomorrow and also for Thursday, and also very warm to hot. Now, the normal high temperature here in the lower Hudson Valley, Joe, at this time of the year is around 80. And for my forecast for the lower Hudson Valley tomorrow, I went for a high of around 88. And on Thursday, a high topping off at around 91 degrees. So well above normal temperature wise coming up over the next couple of days.
Yeah. It was funny this morning, too. Long Island, also parts of Suffolk County got hit twice today. This afternoon, what formed this afternoon, but also late in the early morning hours, there was a pretty powerful cell or little complex of cells that formed They kind of formed right just along and north of the Long Island Expressway. Sometimes during the month of August, you get a phenomenon out there with the sea breeze front. It happens so sometimes too in coastal New Jersey. Set up pretty well for it today. SPC was behind the curve because they didn't put up a marginal risk for severe weather until most of the severe weather was done with.
Yeah, and it looks like tomorrow and on Thursday, we're out of it. We have not even general thunderstorm activity is anticipated over the next couple of days, at least in our immediate tri-state area. So whatever we had a shot of in terms of wetness or precipitation, it's pretty well gone now. It looks like it's going to be dry for the next couple of days. Next chance for any kind of precipitation around here may come our way later on in the day on Friday.
Yeah, I'm hold on. I'm trying to try to do this on the fly. I'm gonna try something else. See if this works. I don't understand why went through a stretch there for a while where everything seemed to go okay. Going to check this out, see if this helps. And that didn't help either. I apologize, folks, if you're getting the signal's just not good tonight. So it's very weak. Are you getting the circle of death?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you know what? Let's just stop the show. I don't want to go through this for 45 minutes and uh and not have the problem. So folks, sorry for this, but we're going to stop the show because of the technical issues. Hold on. Type this in. I don't know why this is happening. You know, let's so we're going to call it a night. All right, we're going to call it a night, and we'll hopefully I'll get this try to get this straightened out between now and tomorrow. Of course, the minute I shut the show off, the signal will probably come back loud and clear. Okay, sorry folks. We'll yeah, okay. Yep, the circle of
Krista,
doom. Okay.
Kristapedia says, "Oh, that's it. You're fired."
Yeah, this is very frustrating for me and for you too. So we'll try it again tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. Good night.
Hello.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.